Hey guys, I'm Natalie Hodson. I got my little brother Luke behind the camera here. I was making dinner and I thought, you know what, I'll just flip on the camera and make this a live video. So I'm gonna make this, it's super fast in the Instant Pot here. It's a Sloppy Joe recipe. So it's one of my kids' most requested crock pot recipes that we make. So I'm gonna make a deal with you. If you leave a comment with the words Instant Pot, 2 words, Instant Pot, I'll send you my free guide that has 5 of my absolute favorite crock pot meals and then some tips for cooking crock pot meals too. So I'll send that to you in a private message as soon as this video is over. So leave a comment with the word Instant Pot and you'll get that sent right to your inbox. Okay, so guys, this is the Sloppy Joe recipe from page 30 of my crock pot cookbook. And it's made in the Instant Pot and it's super fast and it's super easy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it on saute, all right? And then what we're gonna do is add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, which I'll measure just because I'm making the video. Normally I wouldn't. So it says on. If you guys have any questions while I'm making this, go ahead and leave them in the comments. And if you're just tuning in, make sure to leave a comment with the word Instant Pot, and I'll send you my free guide that has 5 of my absolute favorite healthy crock pot meals. Okay, before the video went live, I chopped up 1 onion. So you're gonna put that in with the oil. And then we're gonna add 8 garlic cloves. So I just pulled off, if you guys have never done this with real garlic before, real garlic tastes so much better than the like pre-mint stuff. And so what you do is you just pull these cloves off the entire head. And one trick is to take a flat knife and you just smash them, and it makes it really easy to peel, just like that. I'll show you again here in a second. And then I'm gonna put that through my mincer. So there's 1 clove. So you just, ta-da, 2 cloves, 3 cloves. So a lot of people were asking me, by the way, if you're just tuning in, I'm making a Sloppy Joe's recipe. I was just actually making this for dinner. I was not planning on doing this live video, hence the unbrushed hair and makeup I slept in from yesterday. So, but I just thought I'm making this recipe, I might as well share it with you guys. So as soon as the video is done too, I'll put the entire recipe in the comments. And then if you leave a comment with the word Instant Pot, as soon as the video is over, I will private message you guys my free guide that has 5 of my free healthy crock pot meals. If any good questions come through, Luke, go ahead and read them. There's probably a lot of Instant Pots coming in.
Oh yeah.
Sweet. So you guys, my little brother Luke is filming for me. He lives in my basement and he's 18. If you guys have any life wisdom from my little brother Luke,
it says you're sideways.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Is that not good?
Oh yeah, don't. Okay. Hey guys, is it sideways right now? Oh my goodness.
That's not good.
Okay. Is this, guys, answer me back and let me know. Is this sideways or is this correct? There you go. Okay, just leave it that way.
Okay.
Sorry, guys.
Sorry.
My brother's 18. Give him some slack. All right, so I'm gonna mince this garlic. So a lot of people were asking me like how I created all these recipes, and so earlier this year I came out with the crock pot cookbook, and I have been coming up with these recipes for like the last 5 years. And how this whole thing started was
Join the military, little bro.
What?
Dude, this guy's like, join the military, little brother.
Our other brother is in the military. In fact, he's in
Who
Pearl
are you?
Harbor right now. And this morning he got a text message saying that this wasn't a drill and that they needed to get shelter, and it was kind of scary, but he's okay. So anyways, after my son was born, I was trying to lose weight. I was trying to eat healthy, and I remember those late nights where I was up nursing, sitting in my chair, and I only had 1 hand available because, you know, you're feeding a baby, and so they were trying to be quiet, and you're just scrolling. And I would get on Pinterest, and I was trying to find healthy crock pot meals. But the problem I kept running into was that these meals would be labeled as healthy. So why don't you come show them real quick what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna saute the onions and the garlic. Mix that.
Oh, it smells so good.
Yeah. Mix that oil around until the onions are translucent. So about 4 minutes probably. So while that's cooking, I'm gonna serve this with coleslaw. So what I'm gonna do over here, guys, is just, this is not, you know what, I should have used a bigger bowl. So we can do a quick little transfer here. I just bought pre-made a bag of coleslaw. It's just cabbage and carrots. And then I just brought coleslaw salad dressing. So nothing fancy about my side dish.
Love you, Natalie. Been following you for years.
Oh,
Sherry.
that's awesome. Thank you, Sherry. So while that's sauteing over there, I'm just gonna get the dressing ready. So what happened is you know, they say that 70% of your results are made in the kitchen. And so I was making these meals that I thought were healthy because Pinterest said they were healthy in the pins. And I was not losing any weight, and I was so frustrated. And then one day it dawned on me that like these recipes that I thought were healthy really weren't. They used high sugar barbecue sauce or butter, or a lot of, like most crockpot recipes have a lot of cream of mushroom or cream of chicken soup in them.
So do you prefer InsantPot instead of crockpot?
Okay, that's a good question. So I know like InsantPot is super popular right now, and people really love it. I'll be honest with you, I have not mastered the Instant Pot. I only have like 3 recipes that I'm really good at, and they're in my cookbook. So, just like it took me 5 years to get all my good crockpot recipes, I'm experimenting with the Instant Pot, and hopefully I'll have some more. So, I don't use the Instant Pot as much as my crockpot. I use my crockpot all the time, but my Instant Pot, not as much. Okay, so this has probably another minute or so. I think this is probably good to go. So what I'm gonna do is just serve these. You can serve the sloppy joes either over spaghetti squash, baked spaghetti squash, or some whole wheat buns. I grabbed some potato buns this time. Either of those are fine.
Sandra asked, what's the difference between them? InsantPot and the crockpot.
By the way, I love these LaCroix.
Yeah, someone just said that. They're
Really?
like, love the LaCroix. Maggie said that.
Yeah. By the way, if you're just tuning in, leave a comment with the words Instant Pot, and I'm going to give you my, as soon as this video is over, I'll private message you a PDF with my 5 favorite, say that 10 times fast, my 5 favorite healthy crockpot meals for free, just for watching this video. The difference is that the Instant Pot is a pressure cooker, so it just cooks things super, super fast. So you'll see in a second, this is just like a normal saute deal, but in a second I'm going to put the lid on, and it just, don't ask me the science of it because I don't actually know, but it just pressure cooks it, so it cooks things super fast. Like you can cook I cooked a whole rack of ribs in 40 minutes. That's in my recipe, my cookbook actually. You can cook spaghetti super fast. So this is ready to go. We have some grass-fed beef from our cows, and so 2 pounds of lean ground beef, or you can do ground turkey as well. So,
where can we get your cookbook?
oh, I put the link in the caption of this live video, but if you go to nataliehudson.com/ebook-store, the link's in there too.
And then somebody else asked, wondering if the coleslaw dressing is full of sugar.
This one's not. So this one I got in the refrigerated section, and the only ingredients are, well, okay, there is some sugar in it, but it's not full of sugar. So, you know, I believe everything in moderation. I don't cut entire food groups out. Okay, real quickly, I'm gonna add these spices. So 2 teaspoons of cumin. Cumin? How do you guys say that? Cumin or cumin? Okay, so 1, 2, and then 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Now, it doesn't make it spicy. So this is, like I said earlier, this is one of my kids' favorite meals, but it doesn't, like the cayenne pepper doesn't make it too spicy for my kids who are 4 and 8. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. I love the Costco spices. Any other questions coming in?
Yeah, they said they missed what you said between the crock pot and the Instant Pot, and they want to know how much you like it.
So the difference is that the Instant Pot is just a pressure cooker, so it cooks things really, really fast. 1.5 teaspoons of paprika, or 1.5 tablespoons, sorry. And so you can just, like, the crock pot's really awesome for when I'm going to be gone all day long. And so I can just put all the ingredients in the crock pot and then leave it and forget it. The Instant Pot is nice because it just cooks things in like 20 minutes. It pressure cooks it, so it cooks it really fast.
Hey, Phoenix.
Hi, Phoenix. You want to say hi? What, baby? beautiful. Do you want to show them what you made? Show them, go look.
Yeah.
No? Okay. Funny story, we went to this really fun urban air amusement park last night here in Boise. And, okay, so I'm going to mix the spices in with the beef first. So I'm just going to go ahead and put all my spices in.
Oh, it does smell really good.
Yeah, just you wait. I'm just going to mix it all up. And then I'll add my tomato sauce and my mustard and my molasses. And last night, so my little girl, she's 4, and she's just feisty as all heck. And somebody said, "What's your name?" The person working there. And she goes, "Why do you want to know?" And I'm like, "Oh, thanks, use your manners." And somebody said, "How old are you?" And she goes, "Why?" I'm like, "Oh, thanks, Ray." Oh. Okay, so I'm just basically just mixing and smashing and mixing and smashing.
Someone asked, so you brown everything in the installation like you would a Dutch oven?
Kind of like a Dutch oven. The only thing is, like, every time I've cooked in a Dutch oven, it's taken, oh, there goes my nice clean white sink. It takes a while to cook, whereas like the Instant Pot, you'll see it uses pressure to cook things really fast. So there's no, like, it doesn't add chemicals or anything, it's just pressure, that's all.
And then where'd you get your Instant Pot from?
Fred Meyer. I got it when it was on sale, but it goes on Amazon. I think you can get them pretty cheap. There's different sizes, and I think I got the bigger one. So I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. By the way, funny story, the only tablespoon thing I have left went through the garbage disposal.
Oh.
So does anybody else have utensils that you're afraid to let go of? I should just order a new one, but I haven't. Okay, and then 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard. I texted my brother Luke. I was at the grocery store and I said, "Do we have enough yellow mustard?" And he goes, "I think so."
Like 2
so
teaspoons.
we might not have 2 tablespoons.
Tablespoons.
So
Oh.
we might be a little short on this recipe, but then you add 2 tablespoons and you can see how everything's cooking in here.
Smells a lot better than it sounds.
Yeah. Any other questions? If you guys are just tuning in, make sure to leave a comment with the words Instant Pot, and as soon as the video is over, I'll private message you my 5 favorite healthy crock pot meals. They're also the most popular blog posts on my whole website. They're just in one easy to find place. Why are you laughing?
Christy's like, "Excuse you," when you're
That's funny. Okay, we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of molasses. Molasses is super messy. You can see I keep it in my pantry on a paper plate, and so I might, like, this still has mustard on it, but I might just kind of guess. There we go.
That's good.
All right. You know, I was thinking about the coleslaw comment that Sonny made earlier. If you wanted to make your own dressing, you totally could and use stevia instead of sugar. And a lot of times I do make things from scratch, but then sometimes I just, you want to show what this looks like too?
Yeah, someone asked what you're cooking as well.
Oh, I'm making sloppy joes. And when I was a kid, I thought sloppy joes were like something we got in the school cafeteria and they weren't very good. But I promise you guys, this recipe is like divine.
Someone said, "I saw a video where people are injured by an Instant Pot. Cook with caution."
Oh my goodness. I could see that if you don't release the steam the right way. Okay, so then what we're going to do is put the lid on. And sometimes, fair warning, sometimes I screw this up. So you might see me struggle for a second. Okay, open. I gave you warning. Hold on. Make sure it's lined up.
Can you pause the live?
No. So how you do it is that the arrows line up. There we go. And then this is real life, ladies and gentlemen. Hold on. Okay, the arrows line up.
Uh-oh.
Well, the problem is it's on cockeyed. Sounds like a video game.
Someone said, "Look at the back."
Okay.
Jamie said, "Turn more to the right and then turn left."
Okay, thank you guys. This is like, Okay, Natalie, I'm starting to get, can you tell my face is like really flustered?
There we go.
There we go. Okay, I got it. I just got a little nervous because we were live here. Okay, so I'm gonna close it, and then I'm gonna switch it to bean chili. Are people making fun of me?
Oh my gosh, this is a daily struggle for me. InsantPot stress.
Oh, okay, so we're gonna switch it to, let's see. Normally, you guys, this isn't like this, promise. Normally, this is super easy. Okay, so we're gonna turn it to meat stew for 30 minutes. Sometimes,
Someone said close the vent.
thank you. Yeah, place and lock the lid on your pot. Sealing. No, it's sealed. Yeah, we're good.
Okay.
Whew, okay.
Someone said I can never shut mine. Devin.
Okay, well, I'm glad that you guys got to see a real life struggle for me. So, this is going to cook for 30 minutes, and then as soon as that timer goes off, this is 100% ready to go. All I have to do is put my spices away, put a couple dishes away, and we have dinner ready. So, other than my little struggle that you saw.
Susan said, so nice to see I'm not the only one with lid issues.
Oh, goodness. Okay. You want to say something? Are you excited for sloppy joes? You like when we have sloppy joes? Oh, yay. Awesome. So, if you guys are just tuning in, make sure you leave a comment with the word Instant Pot. I'll send you my free guide that I put together. It has 5 of my favorite healthy crock pot meals. No strings attached, just a free guide because I love you guys so much. And actually, can I ask you guys a favor if you're still watching? Could you, Facebook just started allowing reviews on my page. If you could click on the review section, and if you like my videos, if you could do like a 5-star, it'd be awesome. It really helps me out when I have some good reviews on there. So, what? I see my brother laughing behind the camera.
I was just laughing about the lid.
Oh, the lid thing? Sweet. So I just made a sloppy joe recipe. I'll put the actual recipe in the comments as soon as we hit end. And then, like I said, you can serve this with buns or coleslaw, or put it on top of spaghetti squash, or even just by itself. It's really good. Inside of a whole wheat pita, inside of a whole wheat pita wrap. I'm gonna start sounding like Bubba Gump, all the different ways you can eat this food. But you guys, my crockpot cookbook is one of the things I'm most proud of that I've ever made, and this is one of the recipes from it. It has so many awesome, super fast, family-friendly meals that are budget-friendly. So,
Christy asked where the review section is.
It should be on my page somewhere. You might have to hit the 3 little dots on the bottom. Like if you click on my profile name, there should be a review section there. So.
Sweet.
Okay, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching me struggle making that, closing that lid. But if you guys try this recipe, come back and let me know because it really is one of our family's favorites. So have a good day, you guys.